Yeah, thank you.
Did you already ask them what would you say to somebody that was struggling with inner peace? You already asked them that?
Yeah, but you can ask
Okay, yeah,
again.
I remember the question. Yeah, I
You
remember.
can ask.
Yeah, what would you say to somebody that's struggling with inner peace?
เพิ่นถามว่าแนะนำจังได๋คนที่ว่ายังบ่อยู่ในใจตัวเองหั้นนะยังวุ่นวายยังสงบเพิ่นอยากรู้จักว่าแนะนำจังได๋
The good way to let go everything is stay in the present moment. The how to is breathing, long breathing in and long breathing out. Take นั่นเท่าที่จะนั่นได้
The meditation you know and also เฮ็ดจังได๋ก็เพิ่นที่ว่ายังกังวลเรื่องนั้นเรื่องนี้เฮ็ดจังได๋ให้มันสงบ
Breathing meditation is like a rain. When you are thinking a lot, your worry, you are thinking, you are sad, you are angry, like a ฝุ่นนะเกิดอย่างฝุ่น
like a fog
like
a fog
when rain comes it's fog gone right yeah when you are breathing in and breathing out you stay in the present moment you are thinking you are worry you are angry gone
Exactly. Thank you. Thank you. Breathe.